imagínate que tiene de alto. Tiene 27. Y aquí tiene 31.
Que él pueda casi
tiene 4 pulgadas para jugar.
Que caiga así quede pegado acá arriba, para que te quede separado más bien del suelo, todo lo que pueda. No, a mí me gusta, no, que se quede a esta altura.
Ahí no va a subir esa altura.
Aquí.
Sí, por ahí va.
Ahí estoy cómodo.
Ahí sí.
Ahí estoy cómodo.
Ya,
yo
vamos a darle al último.
Él descansó, solamente el romatico que arriba.
Claro, ahora cuando yo ponte la losa aquí, que ya sé dónde va la losa aquí, todo que me quede bien, porque tiene un poco que sube por arriba, para que él me copa aquí. Entonces de ahí ya para no tener que poner nada arriba, ¿ves? El metal ese lindo que tiene ahí.
Que quede en la parte de arriba. Exactamente. Y abajo le damos.
Y abajo le damos la altura.
Ese me pudo dar que la altura atrás, para que llegue.
No creo, porque atrás tiene más para pasar.
Así. Después se empuja y se pega, se mete los tornillos.
Yo a ti, pero por hoy me llaman, ¿no? Espera, Gil.
11.
7. ¿Vos te vas a dar un cafetazo para nivelar? Ese es un café que, bueno, después no me diga nada.
7 centillos, ¿no?
Y está calentito que va a colar.
Sí, para allá adentro es.
Bueno, después no me diga nada.
Me dijiste 4.
4 planchas de esas. ¿La veo? Sale por aquí. Ya me enteré que estabas enredado con una brasileña.
Sí, no, la voy a buscar. La voy a mandar para acá.
Dale.
Hey John, how you doing? Good? Well, let me show you. I do have some new eyeballs. Oh, well, let me show you here. So I have a 35 and I have my funded future and the Bullinox. I had 3. Yeah, I'm good. Everything good. I feel better for the feel better on my allergy. That's a big win. Also, congratulations. TP, right? Awesome, that's good. Well, I woke up today at 4:14 in the morning. I don't know. I cannot sleep anymore. So.
Porque el problema es que aquí los trabajosos es esta parte, ¿ves? Eso ya como esto menos es el filo abajo que todo es una base.
Nasdaq finally get the job that I was waiting today, but this is just the beginning. It's gonna drop like big for the rest of the week, I think. Look at this daily. This is ready to dump. This is really ready to dump. I think tonight's gonna run good. this to Green Day, I was not too convinced about it.
¿Sabes por qué? Porque esto ya cuando ponemos las navajas, ponemos la madera, pasa,
Hey John, I need like 10-15 minutes. I'm coming back. I'm gonna leave this running here. I'm coming back like between 10 and 15 minutes. Welcome to the stream. How you guys doing tonight? I'm short here on micro NQ. And I'm watching oil too. Down 250. Okay. Hey guys, why are you trading tonight? Dígalo. Ay. Hello people, how you doing tonight? What do you guys are trading? I'm long on NQ and watching oil. Today was a nice close, huh? I eat pizza around, I don't know, 4:30. I eat some pizza and I just eat dinner. John, I lost on the trade here on the short, and I did another short and I closed halfway, so I'm down 370. and all 3 accounts. Hopefully I can get some back on this trade. How you doing tonight? How you doing your Apex? Gonna trail this. Gonna try to trail this trade. That's too bad. Let's see if I can get break even on this trade. It's rejecting on the opening price. That's a good push. Nice push. I put one here. One here. One here. Hi guys, and here I'm trading long on NQ and watching oil. Really bad punish on this trade. The entry was good, but the manage was really bad. and long on oil. Nasdaq is up at one point that it's look like it's gonna make a smaller retracement, but at the same time it's look like it's gonna continue going down. So I don't know. So it's giving long trade. This is NQ, long on NQ. This one is gonna keep it there, and I'm gonna move the profit target. And let's see what's going to happen. This one that is not moving is gonna go really good. Oof. Let's go, let's go. Perfect. That was good. I'm back on the green, 35 bucks. That's good. That's better than nothing. By now should be way more better because I was like 130 bucks, but it's fine. We good. We good on oil. We're getting on the green now too. Perfect. That's awesome. Now, not too much green, but green always green is good. What do you guys trading tonight? Gold, oil, silver, NQ. Short NQ. Okay. Let me see my oil. And some more. Yep, if the oils go up, Nasdaq is going down. But I don't know why both of them is going higher. One of them is gonna have to how you say that in English? Come on, I don't know how to say that. Correct, right? I think one of them gonna have to correct. Well, so far oil is going up and Nasdaq is going, I don't know, maybe up a little bit. Here at the open, they had a big sale there, right there. Exactly where you bought. See, Nasdaq going down, oil going down. I don't know what's going on here. This is a weekly chart for NQ and it's looking really bearish, really bearish. This is the next area where I think the Nasdaq can come in the next couple of, probably 2 or 3 weeks, maybe less than that. Expecting the Nasdaq to keep going down. This is my oil trade, long. I'm risking $105 to make 210. please like and subscribe. I will appreciate that. What is FSK? You sure it's doing good? Okay. Something. I'm long on oil and I'm long on NQ, but I think oil is getting down. That was a big red candle, but doesn't have continuation. I don't know if it, what it's doing is taking this stop here to continue higher, or it's gonna reverse down. My trade on the NQ is doing good so far. Oh, not that good. I'm long in NQ. It's trying to go above this area. 3 times already. 1, 2, and 3. And this is my long on oil. I'm risking $105 here in this trade. That I think is almost not good yet. Let's see. I went here for a little bit on the green. We will see what's going to happen there. And NQ is trying to go above 622. Yeah, that's awesome. That way you can have 20 accounts with the end of the day. That is awesome to have. I am not allowed to have Epic's account. They cancel me, they cancel my wife, they cancel my my personal account and my business account. Because before I have a personal account, they cancel it. Then I say, well, let me try it. Let me do my business. I open with the business and I trade with that. So my wife requests a payout on December. They pay. Actually, they not pay. They ask her to record 3 days in a row trading that account, and then she trade those 3 days. She make like $500 each day. They say, well, you have to request again the payout because this one was denied because you had to test, and then the next payout they pay. She requests 1800, that she get paid, and then they cancel my account and cancel her account when she was ready to request another payout, and they say that I'm trying to bypass their business model, and I has only one account with my business. She has only one account, and they say that you can have on the household 20 account. You can divide it on two, and they close both accounts, and we're not allowed to get any payout, any ABIS. That was really like, we email for like a week or so, tried to explain them that she trading through the day. She already recalled 3 days trading herself, showing her how she's doing it, and trading through the night. We don't have more than 2 accounts, and yeah, just like that, we're not allowed to get ABIS. Last year, my 12K when that I withdraw was with Apex, and on 2023 was 30, like 40, 35, like 40 something, like 47, 46K that I withdraw was with Apex too. My biggest month was on December 2023. I got 2 payout. One was 10K and the other one was no, sorry, one was 15K and the other one was 20K from Apex. 35,000 on December of that year. And then no payout on 2024. 0. Oil is getting sideways right here. I go and break even on Apex and Apex on NQ. Break even on Apex. And green on the day, $35 on the green. After being 375 on the red. So we're getting back to the green little by little. And I'm trading one on Bullinox, one my funded future, and one TradeFi account, 50K. Going to stop me on oil. Yeah, I'm out on oil. And on MQ, so I'm down realize 157. I'm down 157. And I should be on the green here if this trade come out good. So I think this is gonna be the trend. NQ up and oil down. Please like and subscribe. Thank you to stick around. It's nice to have you guys here. Let's try again on oil. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. That's gonna be a nice TP. Nice tip. That's gonna be a really nice TP on NQ. Let's do it. Let's do it. TP NQ and let's do a TP here and break even here on oil. I'm back on the green. Let's go. Let's do it, oil. Let's do it, oil. Let's do it, oil. I'm gonna take it. It's too big, the green candle. It's too big. The candle is too big to let it go back. Okay. I'm out on flat. So I'm up 200 in each account. Plus bullet of 259. Good. 2 TP, 1 short, 1 long. That was, oh, nice. Nasdaq did really good. And continue going higher. This is nice. Big push. And oil did a push too, but it's fine. I need this to trade. That was helpful because yesterday I trade really bad, and the day before I think too. Yeah, almost. I'm gonna stick around here for a little bit more. Let's see if I can get like a 400 bucks. See if I can get another trade. But it's nice, yeah. Oh, this is bouncing really nice here. Oil did something really nice here. He came here and take all this area here. Look. Take everything here. And push it in really strong. I really like a long trade from here. I'm gonna risk 50 bucks. Let me try to risk 50 bucks. Yeah. Gonna risk 50 bucks. Oh, not 50. It's 96. Oh. You see? I really like that long. Wow, that was big takeover. Wow. Wow. Gonna let it run. That was nice. That was really nice. You know what? Here it's good. And I'm going to break even. Yeah, I love when this here, when I saw this, that's what I love. I love that long. He come down, take this area, and come back in really fast. That was a really good take liquidity down here. You know what? That's a free trade. Let's get the most I can get on that trade. Gonna like to run to the period high or break even. And Nasdaq did the same thing, but not that clear. This one was a masterpiece. This was a masterpiece. Wow, 22. You did good. You did good. You did really good. That's awesome. Down 1000, up to 2200. Congratulations. That was nice. ¿Ya lo bajaste todo? No había. ¿Y dónde tú compraste eso? Mira, dame acá.
No sé si por Amazon se pueden cargar.
No por Amazon. Déjame escanear desde el Lowe's to see si están ahí. Si son de ahí.
Por Amazon se pueden cargar.
No, espérate, mira. No es Amazon, espérate.
Vale.
¿Eh? No, la otra foto.
Puede cargar Amazon.
Sí, pero no es igual. El color.
Pero viene todo. Viene todo, todo.
¿Eh?
Viene todo.
Sí, pero los códigos de Amazon no son los mismos códigos de todas esas otras cosas, ¿ves? Déjame, por el teléfono no me lo puedo, déjame escanear de ahí.
A ver si en la el que está en el año, en el show, donde vaya mañana.
Ahí dice que hay 33.
No, ya yo paso por ahí, lo recojo mañana.
33.
Pero si yo lo dejaba aquí en la casa mañana, yo lo ordenaba, ¿sí?
Ajá.
Pero esa gente no lo van a traer para aquí.
No, eso no lo trae nadie para acá.
Bueno, ya yo venía aquí ahí mañana cuando me baje de allá. Paso por ahí
Y ya.
y ya, vengo para acá con todos sus sentidos. Y no hay, si yo podía para yo las cosas. Mira, esto es lo más difícil. Ya lo encontré, mira cómo están todas las veces.
¿Qué? ¿Lo qué?
Baño eso.
Oh. Bueno. Alright, John. Take care. See you tomorrow. What NASA is doing is oil trade. I love it. They did a big manipulation. A big manipulation down here. I'm going to add to that position. And I think I'm going short on MQ. Long oil, short NQ. I'm up $200 per account after being 375 around ish down on the red. I'm out on NQ. $70. I'm still on the green. This is gonna be, I would like to see a nice push from here. Like a big nice green candle. And on this push I'm going to add one more. He opened with the gap here and is fighting to close that gap. This is oil. On that jump here, I would like to get add a new one more contract there on oil. Let's do it. It's 8 p.m. It's gonna do the open. Let's get that push in the open. Let's get it. Let's go. Oil is doing it. Oil is doing it. Yeah, we got it. Oil is swamping. Nice. We're gonna close one on the gap close. Gonna take that one on the gap close. And gonna keep this 3. Let's do that. One up. 2 more. Go. That was the push I was looking to close that gap. So now the gap is closed. Let's see if we have a continuation of that push. That would be nice to get the pre high. That's nice. We want to keep that pushing like that. Nasdaq's not doing nothing. It's moving sideways. Oil is doing good. It's pushing more. That's good. That's awesome. I'll take one here. Nasdaq is pushing lower. Look like it's gonna go lower. It's gonna go high. I don't know. Want to see Nasdaq going. Let me see. Go out of this area. Gonna move my stop up here. Not break even yet, but close. Yeah, nothing to do on that range there. I don't like it. Let's wait. Let's see if oil is gonna push on that support. This area is resistant. When the price grows on the way back, convert in support. Let's see if we're gonna keep it as support or not gonna use it. Not using that area support. I'm long on NQ. Give me 1 minute and come back. I'm back and Nasdaq is reacting on that same area that reacted before. How oil is doing? Kind of okay. Gonna add another contract here. If we pass that area on oil, and Nasdaq is coming back to my entry point. At this point, we are up around 212 on two account and 281, 282 on another one. We are about to add another contract here on oil. So Nasdaq and oil, they are kind of sticking in that little area there. It's not moving much. This is oil, 2-minute chart. My first entry here on this trade was here. As soon they take this area, I'm going bouncing up. I put my first entry here, and then I add another contract here, and then when he broke this area here, this support, I add a third one. I take one here, and now I'm going to be about to add one more, and good. Wait, 3 now. We want to see it keep pushing higher, and Nasdaq is back to my entry with the big green candle, red candle. It's been hard to take this area here. Wow, oil is doing really nice, and that will be really nice. Let me see how more I can push this trade. Let me see, 15 minutes. 15 minutes, not that. Where are you? No, 2 hours. Nasdaq is getting to my stop, close to my stop. No, voy a poner aquí al lado. So now this is reversing. Nice push to here and come back to my entry point for my average point in Nasdaq. Went all the way down here, and now it's pushing higher again. Let's see, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times try to pass that area. So we're going to see what's going on there. About $200 on the green today. Please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Thanks to be around. What you do in oil? You want to take this area and then go higher. Gonna let you do that. Let's see. What this? Wanna take this area there before go higher? What are you going higher without that? Nasdaq is going to try again. Thank you, Anthony, for the subscription. I appreciate it. Welcome to the LASIFOR community. We're watching here. We're long on NQ and long on oil. NQ tried 6 times to go above this area. Let's see if it now we can push higher. Oil come down here and take this area, go higher. I don't know if you want to do the same thing here. Take this store and go higher again. Oh, take me out. NASA is trying to go above that area again. It's gonna try it. It's not going. It's not going. Okay. Oil touch that area. Oil is trying to get in the green. And Nasdaq is trying to get on the red. Actually, it's on the red right now. Let's go. So we got oil on the green now. That's nice. And Nasdaq is about to Nasdaq is on the green and oil too. Actually on the red, not on the green, on the red. Are on the green on oil. Let's push it. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. NASA's going down, like down, down, down. Like no tomorrow. Let's be inside we're here for a little bit. Put up a boom pum pum. Oil is pushing higher and pushing lower. Nasdaq is trying to recover a little bit, but I don't know. I don't know, Nasdaq. That's a good move right there. I like it. Nasdaq is going down, 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 down. Like a down. Like a down. And oil's doing what? Come on, boy. 4 like. Cuatro like. 23 view. 15 minutos de averaje en 2 horas. Hoy ha estado lento. Hoy ha estado un poquito lento. Come on, oil. Look, 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 look. What Nasdaq's doing. Wanna add on Nasdaq 2 more contracts. Now I have 4 on NQ. Oil is getting rejection from here. It's getting react. That's the here. The gap close right there. Now, because I see this reaction here, I'm gonna move this TP a little bit higher in case this jump here, because that one's too close here, to see if I can maximize that trade a little bit more. And guys, what a surprise! Nasdaq is on the green again. After I add 2 more contracts down here, we are on the green again. And oil 2. That's nice. Let's see, both of them have an area where they are reacting, here and here. I think oil is gonna take it out first before NQ. Oh, look like NQ want to do it first, and fine with that too. Unload on oil, unload on NQ. NQ is being reacting on this area. It's pushing really nice here, this 3 candle. Lexi is gonna continue holding that strength, and oil is pulling back to my entry point. I want to see oil going higher again. Oil is on the red. I don't like it. I don't like it. I was expecting this push to go above, but it's not happening yet. And NQ is trying to go above. And oil is on the red. Wow, man. Why Nasdaq? Why you like that? You're not nice. Nasdaq, don't be a bad kitty. Now we're on the green again on oil. This is like a roller coaster, up and down, down and up, down, up. Green, red, red, green. We're going nowhere. We're going nowhere. Nowhere. We're going nowhere. Up and down and up. Let's see if oil is gonna cross that area there. That would be nice. That would be nice. Nasdaq is going on the red again, and oil on the green. Boom, 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 boom. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. That's not nice, Nasdaq. Why? Why you like that? Oil is gonna do it now. Why now? I don't know. Let's be ready for oil to see if we need to jump to take some away. Oil is looking nice. I kinda like Nasdaq to add one more contract, but it's two on the red. Let's leave Nasdaq like that. or you're trying to push about 99 will be good. Nice. Let's try to get going. Nasdaq is trying to get into the green again. And oh, it's coming back to my entry point. What a joke, man. Really? Really? Look at this. This one going down to the entry point, and this one go up to the entry point. So what? They had a reunion on the entry point. They got a meeting down there. I don't like the way Nasdaq is moving. I'm gonna explain why. They did here a lower high, and here they did a lower low. That means the market is going on the downside. It's moving that way. But then here they did a lower low, well, a lower high. This is a lower low, lower high, lower high, high, lower, so it's reversing now. That's what I don't like about Nasdaq. It's reversing the trend on the short side. And this one is going higher. I'm gonna add one more there. Now I have 4. Gonna put 2 here. No, I'm not gonna leave it down here. Gonna leave it down there. Let's look for that push around here. That would be nice. And Nasdaq is going lower. What I don't like about Nasdaq is this one is a lower low. This one is a lower. This one a lower high, lower low, lower high. Now, if you're gonna do a lower low, the trend is changing down, bearish, and probably gonna take me down, take me out. And here we're looking for a push above this area to start taking out some TP. I had this thing ready here. Want to see here a big push like this one, something like this, like a big green candle. Rakata, 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 rakata. And Nasdaq is doing rakata, rakata down. Nasdaq is doing rakata, rakata down. Pam 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 pam. Now we're looking here, oil, waiting for the push higher. Waiting. I think Nasdaq is going to take me out. Doing a lower high, lower low. Changing the trend down. Or maybe it's coming to take this low here to go higher. That I don't think so. I think it's reversing down. And oil back to my entry point again. Here try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 time. 11 time. Nasdaq is going to take me down, I think. I'm trying to add here. Let's see. It's coming to take this area and go higher. I'm gonna be fine. If it's not, I'm gonna be a stop up. Look at that. Okay, perfect. I like it. I like it. That's what I want to see. Now go higher. Let's take this area too here. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Now we need to see this thing going higher or finally take me out, one or the other. And it's taking me out. Okay. And oil is back to my entry point, and Nasdaq is taking me partial out. And on the red on the oil, and I'm almost out completely on Nasdaq. Nasdaq went downhill. Right now I'm $6 on the green. Going to add there 2 more. Right now, if you add here, I'm risking $10 for this 2 contract. So basically, it's nothing. And we are in the green again. Nasdaq is trying to go above. The area is good. It's pushing, and oil is pushing down too. After take this area here, I would like to see a bounce from here, or the worst case scenario is gonna take me out. We will see. Expecting to come down to take this area and go and reverse back. The same thing he did here. And let's see how far it's pushing Nasdaq. Nasdaq having hard time to go above this area. Hopefully it's the time, because I think this is gonna be the time, because went down here and take all these stop here and went back really fast. So I think that was the last push down to take all this area down here. So I think this is the one. And oil is gonna doing what I think. Come down to do the same thing. Take this area down here. To start going higher. But I would like to see this with more strength. Not like this. So we have to wait. Now it's coming back to that little range. No bueno. Come on, guys. Back to me. Say something. I would like to get 10 likes to 9 for the first time. I already have 6. We are 4 right now. Please like and subscribe. That would be nice. Thank you. Thank you to be around. Tell me, what are you trading? What are you doing? How was your night if you finish? Oh, you're not doing it? And Nasdaq is trying a little bit. Okay, Nasdaq is doing it. Nasdaq is doing it. And we are close to the stop. Really close, really close. That was close. That was close. Most of the time it's not that way. Most of the time take me out and go back. But I'm not gonna complain. I like it. If it's going to do the same that I did down here, I think it's good enough to start going higher from there. Actually, NASA is doing good. That's awesome. Let's go for that push above this area. Oh, it's about to take me out. It's on the way there. Yeah, it's gonna do it. It's really close. Alright, yep. Still doing it. 2 out. If you start going higher from there, I'm gonna, yep. I'm out completely on oil. NASA is trying to push. That's good. So I'm down 365 ish, and I'm up 400 unrealized on Nasdaq. That's good. This is gonna, if it start going higher from here, gonna add here. It's coming to touch here. Gonna add the first one down there. Really? I knew it. Knew it. Nasdaq, let's go. Let's make that. I like the way that side's going, grinding up. Let's sit and wait. Let's go, people. Thank you for the like. I need 3 more to make it 10 for first time. I need 3 more like. Please, thank you, appreciate it. Like and subscribe. It's free. It's not cost you nothing. Just a click. If you enjoy this, please like and subscribe. Or maybe that's why you're not enjoying. You're not liking and subscribing because you're not enjoying. Let me know if it's not fun enough. Well, I don't think it's fun, but entertaining. Unlearn on NQ. Trying to see if we go above this area that is rejecting today. And now I'm down 360 something ish on 3 account. That loss was on my oil trade. It's nice going on the way. I think this is the one. Why? Because it come down, take this stop here, this area. Here, take this stop here on this movement. And that's why I think this is a time to go above. But now it's good. We went about these two. We went about this area here. That's good. We take this one. Now we need to take the big one. We take this one. Now we need to take the other one. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. I like that green candle. Want to see a big push in the continuation. I don't want to see a push and come down. Thank you guys to be around. Appreciate it. If you enjoy the stream, like and subscribe. That would be nice. I would like to get to 10 like tonight. We had 6 people and we had 7 like. Let's go Nasdaq. Let's do it. Do that big push. Yep. Like it. I love it. That's why we're looking. A big push. Now is the time. Let's do it. This is a 5-minute chart on Heikki Nashi. Looking really bullish. And 15 minutes. 10 minutes really close to the EMA. I don't like it. I don't like it. Want to see a big push higher, and I would like to see a continuation. I don't want that trade to come back too much. Now here going to be bar by bar. Gonna be on the last bar. Moving one of the top. That's nice, you see? Like it? Like it? Now above completed, but it's nice. Cool. That's good. Now we need the push. Now we need the big push. You see? That was an empty candle. Kind of. Now we need the big push like that. To the moon. We take half. So now we're down 190. We catch up something. I'm gonna see a bounce from here now. Yeah, I like that bounce. Good. Gonna put another stop down here. and with the stop really tight because I was down almost 400 bucks, so I want to try to at least go back to break even on this trade, or close to break even, you know. Nasdaq's been going down here for a lot of time, rejecting here, so I'm not gonna let that profit go back too much. I was expecting the big push here. And here I can take it easy one by one. I like that push. It's nice. It's nice, 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 nice. I love it. Okay. Now on this candle close, I can put one stop here. The next candle is gonna open halfway because the Hekinashi opened like that. So it's about to close. So I can put this one here. I think I don't want to do it too early. If you have a lot of volume, it's gonna print like 3 or 4 bar straight up, completely really fast. But I don't see that volume. I don't see that push yet. See, I don't see that push. About this here, he broke the area. Now I want to see that push now. Hopefully we can see that nice push. This one is not ready to let go, but like I say, I want to keep the big amount of profit possible on this trade to cover that loss on oil. Okay, anyway, the other bar closed there, so it's fine. It's good. It's good, good, good. That's awesome. Right now we're at 50 point. This trade is on the 50 point mark. That's a nice trade. We cash 50 point. You see that big push? It's nice. Now continue. You're not ready yet, but I'm gonna be ready. I like it. I like it. I like it. Let's go. Bring down another one. You see? I like it. Bring one more. I like it. There. Yes. That one's too early, but I don't want to go back on me. That's nice. About to start reversing. Good. That's good. Now we're really close. Only two, and only two. That's awesome. Good. It was a really nice trade. We're on the green 180. Plus, I have an oil trade that is going really well too. On the downside, we crushing it, guys. We're doing well after beat down almost $400. We almost up 400. Come on, this trade need a like and subscribe. That was awesome how I managed that trade. Let's see how that look here. I saw some here. I saw some here on the top. From down here. 67 point. That's nice. Now the oil. Let's manage this one. Let me know what you guys think about that. How I trailed that trade. Look on 2 minutes what I was looking, that big push, like I said, remember? That's what I want to see, that big push, that big candle. I like it. And why I think that this one was the one, like I said before, they come down, they take all this area, but now they're ready to go. That's why I add again here. I add again here because they come down, take everything here, and they was ready to go. So the trade go as I planned it out. And this one I want to cover half of the position break even because I don't see that a continuation here too strong. Let me see. You're gonna half now, break even, half of the half, just like that, to give you a chance to stay under there. So my AC was kind of, yeah, good. Now here I got a really nice trade about this area, come back to here, and I can get another trade here to keep the continuation if you stay above the 20 EMA. We had to see if it's gonna be, let me show you something here, hold on, let me go to, okay, for example, let me take this stuff because I don't want to see like this. For example, market's gonna be sideways, push higher and then coming in straight down and go down. Want to come down here, start pushing up. and I think it's going to do it because it comes down to take this area here. This kind of Wyckoff theory, Wyckoff. I don't know if you guys know Wyckoff. It's kind of that idea. They had the spring or whatever this called, the spring, or I don't know. I know kind of how they move. But in Wyckoff they look for this movement here that take this area, and then they move like this here, and then they like that retracement here to go higher. So it's kind of like that. What are you doing? I don't know, 200. Almost $200 on the green here. Okay. Round 180 realize, and 28, 25. Now let's keep pushing higher. Now here, what I did, hold on. Okay. Another one, how that looking? Want to see the continuation down here? Let me see how they look on 1 hour. 1 hour is really okay. I don't know. These three here doesn't make sense. These don't make more sense. Yeah, that don't make more sense. I'm gonna keep on full stop. I'm risking there like $180, I think. Something like that. Oh, let's go back to 2 minutes. I like it how it's moving. That's nice. On 1 minute, Nasdaq did this. That's really nice, but it's 1 minute. Let's try to get it. Ah man, I don't have the ATM on. I hate when I forget to put the ATM. Let's look for that smart trade. Gonna be 30 point-ish. I'm risking how much I'm risking here? 120 for 240 on NQ. and this one come back. That's the nice oil. I'm about to get smoke on both sides. And that's done. And oil. Yep. Almost. We survived. We just survived for a little bit for now. But here I don't see it that clear. Here I don't see it that clear. That's it. Don't see it. So we go back to the green, to the red. Yep. You realize like $50, right? 50, 60. Yep. 84. And Nasdaq is doing again. So I can add one more contract and I'm risking 200. I'm risking 200 now. No, actually not. I'm risking almost 300. I'm risking almost 300. Fine. Anyway, it's gonna be on the 400 bucks. So, that push that I was waiting. Remember I was talking about that he was going to return here and then pushing from here. That was the movement, the continuation of the movement. Now I want to see a good continuation with strength. Like that. Nice push. Now I would like to here go through this and come back to that area. Go through, come back, and then keep going from here. So that's why I'm gonna put some contract here. A one here, one here. And I'm gonna have another one here. Look at that. And get a stop up. So we're good. Now we need to push over that 200 EMA and start taking this 3 contract out. pushing down from there. I was expecting more strength to go above that 200 EMA. So that's not good enough. Gone down 475 for 600. I'm done for tonight. That was a big reaction down there. That was huge. Wow. That's a 60-point reaction. And keep going lower. Wow. Well, we're done for tonight. Down 400 bucks or something. I show that you have some flat. Wow. What? Almost 100 points. That's not nice, Nasdaq. Pretty sure that it's gonna rebound really nice. I know you're gonna do that thing. I'm done for tonight. And done. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you to be around. And see you tomorrow. I'm down for something. 500. Yep. Around 5. Ciao, ciao. Thank you.